I'm gonna set that camera right there to see if y'all can see this. I have this old spring I pulled off another mower. I'm just gonna hook it right here, and then I'm gonna pull this back toward me. And I'm gonna, let's see, I'll try to do it with the other hand so you can see. I'm gonna hold on to this other spring, take that tension off. That thing's wanting to come up with me. There we go. You don't want to just let go of it, but so I've got that loose now, and you can see how that spring's just sitting there loose. That pulley slid back in those channels, and now my belt is completely loose. We're going to come around here to the back of the mower and up under the muffler. This mower's not hot, so you have to be careful if your mower's warm. Don't touch that muffler. My belt is so loose now that I can pull it off that old clutch. And I'm just going to drop it down right now, and we're going to replace this clutch. Okay, so looking under here, we're going to take this bolt out, but you see this piece right here, we're going to have to get a hold of it with a wrench and hold it while we take this bolt out. Okay, so I pulled that bolt out. That clutch just falls right off that shaft. Right there is your plug. You just lift that little tab right there, pull that plug out. Oh, there's the old clutch. There's the new clutch, and it came with a new harness here. I'll probably put that on, and it's going to be easier to get to from the top. If you look kind of back behind your fuel filter, there'll be these wires right down here, and that is your harness for that clutch. So I'll go ahead and plug that new one on there right now. Okay, there's the harness plug from the top side. It's got this tab on it, and you can see that tab grips that little piece right there. Anyway, I pulled that old one out. It doesn't look like anything is wrong with it, but I've got the new one, so I'll plug it on, and then we'll put that clutch back in. Figure one thing I should show you before I put this clutch in is you can see on this side, it's got that key, and that shaft's going to have a groove in it where that key's going to slide into. Now you can turn this however you want to make that key fit wherever it needs to be. It's at the right angle. You can see that shaft and where that key's going to go. And then you've got this piece right here, this piece right here that's going to go in that little groove there. All right, I got it back in there. Got this back tight. This is sitting in here. The trickiest part to that is getting that key lined up. But once you get it lined up, it slides right up in there. You don't have any issue with that. Now, I didn't hook my harness up like I said I was going to before I put it in there, because that thing's just hanging and kind of in the way. But I'm going to be able to reach behind here and plug this in. And there we go. You heard it click there, so we're good. That ought to do it. We'll put the belt back on. Right there. And it's going to be loose, so we need to go up there and put that spring back on. Okay, make sure your spring catch is setting right. They should be poking up out of these holes a little bit. This thing will move, so make sure you get that down in there. That's how it's supposed to sit. Then we'll grab our spring, and we're going to pull it all the way back and hook it right here. So this spring goes right here. And I'll do this like I did the first time with the ratchet strap. You're going to pull it and set it right in there. Now I'm going to let loose and get this put on. I need two hands to do it. So, okay, I got that in. Belt is tight, and this mower should be ready to rock.